Dear student, welcome back to online education Tirag High School Karan. Today we are going to see a grammar topic which is a very important, that is question tag or tail tag. First of all, we can see what is question tag or what is meant by question tag. Question tag is a short question at the end of the statements, and they are mainly used in a speech when we want to confirm that something is true or not. Now, student, we are going to see the rules for framing question tag. For example, Rahul is a clever boy. Now, rule number 1 is you have to write a sentence as it is. Rule number 2, give the comma at the end of sentence. Next, you have to observe that sentence very carefully. Suppose if you find their helping verb, for example, helping verbs are am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, have, has, had, can, could, etc. If you find helping verb in the sentence, you have to take as it is. For example, in this sentence, is a helping verb, so we have to take is as it is. Then next rule, suppose there is no helping verb in the sentence. For example, Rahul ate a mango. If you observe this sentence, there is no helping verb in the sentence. Therefore, we have to see the root verb or main verb. Main verb is ate. This is in the second form. When the verb is in the first form, it denotes present tense. In present tense, there is do and does. Suppose the sentence root verb is in the second form. For example, ate. Ate is the second form of the verb, so it denotes past tense. And therefore, we have to take did as a helping verb. Here you have to take did in the helping verb. Now, next rule is, if the given statement or sentence is a affirmative, then you have to make question tag in negative form. For example, here Rahul is a clever boy, isn't. Don't write not or. No, you have to write negative form in a short. Isn't, aren't, shan't, won't, in this way. Then in the second sentence, Rahul ate a mango. There is no helping verb. Second one, main verb is ate. It indicates second form, so past tense it denotes. Therefore, we have to take did as helping verb. Then sentence is in affirmative, so we have to make question tag in negative form. Didn't, then there is a name. You have to take here pronouns instead of name. Didn't he? At the end you have to give question mark. In first sentence also, there is a name Rahul. You have to take pronoun he. Isn't he? In this way we have to complete these sentences. There are some exceptional sentences or rules. For example, if the statement is like this, I am happy. In this sentence, don't take helping verb am as it is. Don't write am. Here we have to take example. I am happy. In this sentence, am is a helping verb, but we cannot take am as it is. Here we have to write aren't I. So mind it well. Some sentences are exceptional. Number two, a sentence, for example, call the police. This sentence is imperative sentence. How we have to understand imperative sentence? The sentence begins with a verb, that is called imperative sentence. In imperative sentence, when we are making question tag, that time you have to just write here, will you open the door, will you polish my shoes nicely, will you. So just you have to write will you as tag. Next one, there are some sentences begins with let us. Let's go to cinema. In this sentence, we have to just write here, shall we? Question mark. So these are some exceptional sentence or miscellaneous sentences we can say. Mind it well, when you are writing a question tag in a negative form, you have to take, for example, are not, aren't, is not, isn't, shall not, shan't, will not, won't. In this way we have to complete this question tag. So for today, this you will understand this topic nicely, I think so. Now I will give one assignment for you. With the help of this video, you have to solve that assignment very carefully. Thank you very much.